Welcome back to Jetline Marvel for another thrilling aviation episode. India celebrates a significant milestone as its first domestically produced aircraft makes its international debut, elevating the reputation of Indian aviation on the global stage. This achievement reflects India's determined efforts to penetrate the aerospace industry, building upon its established presence in the automotive sector, which ranks as the world's third largest in automobile manufacturing. For years, India has strived to establish its aerospace companies globally, aiming to tap into international markets, while endeavors such as the Tejas fighter jet and various helicopter projects have been in pursuit of international customers. Success has remained exclusive until now. The recent triumph comes in the form of Indian-built Dornier Aircraft, securing its inaugural international order. Hindustan Aeronautics Limited fulfilled the delivery of two Dornier-228 Transport aircraft to the Guyana Defense Forces, marking a significant milestone in India-Guyana bilateral relations. This transaction, facilitated by a loan from India, underscores the growing collaboration between the two nations. The Indian Dornier-228, also recognized as the HAL Dornier-228, is a versatile twin-turboprop aircraft manufactured by Hindustan Aeronautics Limited, under license from Dornier GmbH, formerly part of RUAG Aviation, in Germany. Renowned for its adaptability, this aircraft serves a multitude of roles, from passenger and cargo transportation to maritime surveillance and military operations, cementing its significance in India's aviation landscape. In civil aviation, the Indian Dornier-228 plays a pivotal role in regional connectivity, commuter transport, and air ambulance services. Furthermore, its deployment in maritime surveillance operations showcases its capabilities in safeguarding coastal territories, assisting both the Indian Coast Guard and Navy in reconnaissance missions. With a versatile configuration and short takeoff and landing capability, the Dornier-228 excels in operating within confined spaces, bolstered by advanced avionics for enhanced operational efficiency and control. Its robust design ensures longevity, complemented by fuel-efficient turboprop engines that offer extended endurance, facilitating prolonged flights and sustained operations over vast areas without frequent refueling. Thanks for watching. Please share your thoughts about Dornier aircraft in the comments section.